Hey guys! I am trying to figure out where the best lighting is. I'm super excited to show you this today. So I know a lot of you are trying to be healthier and cook healthier, and sometimes it's just hard when you're busy and you just don't know what to cook and you need some new ideas. Something that we like to cook a lot is zucchini pesto. Zucchini is a really good option if you're doing gluten-free. We do have gluten-free noodles that we use, but I really love this one, and I'm also going to show you how to make some homemade pesto. So I got this thing a couple of months ago. This is the Spiralizer. I will post about it below. Basically, it was under $20 when I got it, and it includes all these different options for doing the different things. The one I've got in right now is the thin spiral, and super easy because it just sticks to your counter. And I've already got my zucchini washed with my thieves cleaner, and I cut the ends off. And zucchini is one of the biggest GMO foods, so even though there's some things that aren't a huge big deal if you don't buy organic, this is definitely one that I would recommend knowing where you're getting it from. So I've got several zucchini here. You think it's a lot, but if there's 5 people eating, I usually do about a zucchini or more per person, so depending on how much you eat. So all you do, and you can, if some of the zucchini is kind of curved, really wonky, you can cut them in half and then put them in so that way you get more straight. So you just put it in here and you just start spiralizing. It's super easy. And you can do whatever size noodles you want, and I'll do this one and then I'll show you kind of what they look like. I've also done apples. You can do sweet potatoes. You can do so much stuff with this, guys. It's really awesome. And if you're smart, you'll probably put a bowl at the end. I usually don't, so I just clean my counter and scrape it all in the pan when I'm done. Let's see. So then you just do it all the way to the end. I don't like to waste anything, so when I get this at the end, usually the girls will actually chew on this raw, or I just cut it up a little bit and throw it in. So this is what the noodles look like. Let's see if I can. So like they really actually look like noodles. Like, it's really neat. So that's one zucchini, a good bit. So what I do is I'll do the rest of my zucchini, and I'll go ahead and do one more just for showing you. So I'll do all my zucchini, and then all I'm going to do is warm up like a large skillet pan on around medium, a little higher depending on what your oven is, but around medium. And then I usually just use some real butter and some coconut oil to fry them in. It makes them really good, and you only need to cook them. They're trying to jump off the counter on me. So you only need to cook them for maybe like 10 minutes. So it's super quick and easy. The kids actually like helping with this too when they're around here. Oh, thank you. So that's it. Super easy, guys. So that's how you make noodles. I'm going to show you real quick how to make the pesto. I've got everything labeled out here. Let's see if I can move this. So I've got, if you have a nice food processor, I would use that. I've got this little tiny thing for now, but it works. So we're going to do 1 cup of spinach. Well, if it wants to come out. This is usually, it barely fits all my stuff, but it really works. So 1 cup of spinach. And then I've got, the recipe actually calls for pine nuts, about 5 teaspoons of pine nuts. I usually don't have those on hand, so almonds work pretty well, just about a little handful of almonds for mine. And then we've got 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Set them on this side so I know I put in all the ingredients. 1 clove of garlic. Let's see, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And obviously if you make a mess, no big deal. So 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. And then you can do like a little sprinkle of salt. We love, this is our favorite, the Selena Natural Sea Salt. It's got a ton of good minerals. So do a little bit of salt. And then I'm also going to add a drop of oregano oil. I'm going to mix it up a little bit before I do that. So basically I'm going to keep mixing this, and then I'm going to add a drop of, this is Oregano Vitality. I love using the Vitality oils to cook because it's just super easy, and plus they're super good for you. And if you're not warming it up, you'll also get the health benefits of oregano, which is pretty amazing. You can add 2 drops if you want. Me personally, I'm good with 1. So Josh did add 2 a couple of weeks ago, and it was very oregano-y and very good. I'm sure we were very healthy. So I'll spare you the noise of that, but basically this is homemade pesto. Super easy, and it's you're basically just eating a lot of raw spinach. You're eating olive oil is good for you. You got your almonds, which are really good for you. And then, so what I'll do is I'll take the zucchini noodles. I will fry them or use them on a skillet. I've got a big roll of real butter here. And then you can use coconut oil. I just found this the other day that I really like. It's a blend of avocado, coconut, and safflower oil. So just fry it in a skillet for a few minutes and then take it off. You can either pour a little bit of pesto on the whole thing or pour the whole thing, or you can just do per person and just kind of mix it up. It's super yummy. I'll post a picture and a little bit of it, but I hope that helps you guys. It's a really easy meal, and it is really delicious. I'm excited to eat lunch today. So I will post the link to the Spiralizer below so you guys can check it out. Bye. Thanks for watching.